Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials, open the clock app, and set an alarm to a test time within a few minutes. You check both the main volume and the alarm-specific slider because many systems separate them. Make sure silent mode is off and sound permissions are granted, otherwise alarms won't play loudly. Once done, move the device to a stable, hard surface near your head. That improves sound reflection and perceived loudness. Now run a quick test alarm to hear current volume. You now crank up the system and alarm sliders to maximum and pick a tone designed to cut through sleep. Higher frequency, sharp attack, and steady cadence. If your phone separates media and alarm volumes, make sure both are high, otherwise the alarm may remain quiet. If the internal speaker is weak, pair a Bluetooth speaker or enable a wired dock. Those output much louder sound. Also disable adaptive or smart volume limiting features because they reduce peak volume during alarms. You finish by scheduling 2 test alarms at different volumes and confirming they wake you in a realistic setting. Lights off, blanket over shoulders, so you know what works. Make one alarm use the external speaker or a louder tone and the other as backup. Keep the charger connected to avoid low-power volume throttling and put the device face down on a hard surface to reflect sound toward you. If alarms remain too quiet, reboot the device. Check for software updates or reinstall the alarm app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.